Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best lap desks for gaming available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the best Couchmaster CYCON lap desk for gaming. With 4 USB ports, you can connect your keyboard, wireless gaming mouse, and more, and the latest 3.0 technology ensures consistently high-quality performance. This also guarantees lag-free gameplay, allowing you to dominate as many newbies as possible with a smooth, easy frame rate. Although others might accuse you of hacking, we will be able to tell the difference. Compared to the other possibilities we've chosen, it is a little bit bigger. It never feels overly thick, and the armrests lessen possible stresses on your arms and wrists, so you may play video games without experiencing any discomfort. We can all agree that gamers aren't always known for keeping their gaming areas neat and orderly, but the greater size also allows for pockets and convenient cable sheltering features. At number 2 is the HUANUO lap desk for gaming. The HUANUO lap desk, which is intended for laptop gaming, provides a cozy method to utilize your laptop in bed or in your preferred chair. It is made to fit laptops with screens of 17 inches or smaller. There is a little mousepad for a USB mouse next to the laptop area. The level of comfort offered by this particular lap desk is its best feature. There are 2 bolster cushions on the underside. The lap desk is at a little slant since the back cushion is lifted by roughly 2.5 inches. This eliminates the need to bend forward when using the keyboard and makes it easier. The laptop stopper and wrist pad are yet another aspect we adore. This not only stops the laptop from slipping into your stomach, but it also gives your wrists a rest, lowering the risk of RSI. At number 3 on our list is the WorkEZ Best Adjustable Lap Desk for Gaming. It is more than simply a lap desk for gaming, according to the WorkEZ Best Adjustable Laptop Cooling Stand. This adaptable metal stand offers numerous ways to hold a laptop. You can use it to elevate your position when sitting or lying down, or even to convert your regular workstation into a standing one. It offers a remarkably flexible way to handle your laptop. The 16 inches by 10 inches aluminum panel's purpose is to disperse heat so that while you're playing a game that demands a lot of processing power, your laptop won't overheat. The height is adjustable from 2 inches to 18 inches, and the tilt is 360 degrees. You can play more precisely thanks to the included ambidextrous mouse pad, which attaches to either side of the laptop stand. Moving up at number 4 is the Sofia Plus SAM Oversized Memory Foam Lap Desk. Because of smaller, more powerful processors, it is no longer widely believed that a tower PC is necessary to have the computing capability required for serious PC gaming. The Sofia Plus SAM Oversized Memory Foam Lap Desk fills that need. It may not look like a lap desk for gaming because of the glossy hardwood surface, but it's ideal for laptop gaming in bed or from an armchair. It includes a mouse slot on the side and is made to fit laptops up to 17 inches. Additionally, it has a slightly elevated back that encourages a better sitting position and makes it simpler to utilize the keyboard. A thick, cushy layer of memory foam material that conforms to the curve of your knees is placed underneath the wooden surface. You won't experience any discomfort while sitting for extended periods of time with this on your knees. The only drawback is that there are no USB ports, leaving your wires hanging loose. At number 5 is the Corsair Gaming LAPDOG Lap Desk for Gaming. 4 USB 3.0 ports on the Corsair Gaming LAPDOG provide nearly universal communication to a wide range of gadgets, including smartphones, Xbox One controllers, and, of course, your reliable keyboard and mouse. Although its straightforward appearance may first be deceiving, individuals who have the suitable resources to really utilize it will like everything about it. The 16-foot cable enables some of the best movement available without going wireless, while the 11 by 11 inch 2 mouse mat is large enough to allow for a respectable range of movement and shouldn't cause you any hopping or unresponsiveness. The Corsair K70 and K65 keyboards were taken into consideration throughout its creation, so some of you might need to search elsewhere. However, if you already own one of these keyboards, it will be difficult to find anything else that is as simple to use for gaming. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.